नमस्कार दोस्तों. Friends, today we have 5 questions. What is veto and veto power? Second is that how many country have a veto power? Third is that how country will get a veto power? And the fourth question is the most important question: can India get a veto power? And the fifth question is that how many types of veto power? So let's discuss about the veto power. Now, first is that what is veto? Veto is not a acronym, but is the real meaning of I favorite in the Latin language. That is a veto. Second is that discuss about veto power. Veto power is a legal power and literally stop the official actions. That is called the veto power. In the other hand, we can say that the power of saying no and stop the official actions, that is called a veto power. The United Nations provide veto power for 5 parliament members, and the parliament members are France, Russia, America, Britain, and Russia. Yes, Russia. That country have a veto power. Let's discuss about how many countries have a veto power in this world. So guys, only 5 countries in this world who have a veto power. Just I'm say France, America, China, Russia, and Britain. That country have a veto power because the country are socially and economically strong. That's why. Next question is that how a country get a veto power. So it's very simple, guys. When a country socially and economically strong, so they can easily get a veto power. Now our four question is that important question is that can India get a veto power? So guys, India can easily get a veto power because India is socially and economically strong country. And literally 4 countries give the permission to become the veto power country, but what we can say that, but unfortunately China denied it to give the power of veto power in our country. That is the reason. Let's discuss about for 5 question how many types of veto power. So guys, there are 3 types of veto power. First is that absolute veto power, third is that suspense veto power, second is that suspense veto power, and third is that pocket veto power. What is this? Let's discuss about it. First is that what? Suspense. नहीं, अरे फर्स्ट क्या बोला था? नहीं. अरे फर्स्ट का नाम क्या था? अब there are 3 types of suspense veto power, absolute veto power. Yes. First is that suspense veto power. What is a suspense veto power? When refers to the power of a president. अरे यार, अब नहीं इसके अभी